Hey guys, we're just working on our golf cart from the last few videos, and we took it out back here to our buddy's shop behind the barn, and he said he's got a product that we should give a try to clean this bench seat up a little bit. So we've got some Armor All heavy duty multi-purpose cleaner, and then we've got some Meguiars mirror glaze vinyl and rubber conditioner. Now, if you watch any of my videos, I never get into shining and cleaning things up. I just don't have the patience for it. But Buddy assures me that this is going to make a big difference. So we're going to try a spot on this bench seat to see how it turns out. All right, man. Do the work.
Do the work.
So what do we do first?
Well, we're going to wet it down, get any material off, dust, and whatnots. We'll do one half of it.
Yeah.
See what it looks like. Wet it.
It ain't bad, but we'll see. Just don't do too good a job, because then we got to do the whole thing. So that's just an Armor All cleaner. You've been doing this all day on the boat?
Yep, all day on the boat.
Gonna have a sore shoulder tomorrow.
Oh yeah, I got that grime off good there. In the corner here. See if we can get this rust mark off.
Yeah, it's definitely doing something. We got a lot of shadow today. The sun's going down and late afternoon here, so pardon the shadowing. You think we're gonna be doing the whole thing, eh?
Oh yeah, because it's gonna be so nice. You're gonna want the whole thing done.
You're right in the light. There we go.
Oh, there's a big part on the corner here.
It's gonna be way too nice on one side. It's just got some water and a little sponge. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, down the edge there, down along the side there. Yep. Look at that. Oh, definitely can see the difference. Oh.
This is round one.
Well, you can totally see the difference. I mean, it's,
oh yeah, look at the grunge.
It's grunge. It's dark and it's spotty. I hope you guys can see that in the camera. And you come over to this side and look at that. Looks great. Wow.
See if we get some of the little spots out. We'll work on these for a bit, and I'll give you a shot after what it looks like completed.
All right, so we got her kind of washed down, and then we went crazy, guys. We decided to do all the white, and we washed the front seat and the white. And I'm telling you, this thing's gotta be worth $500 more than when I started the video 15 minutes ago. But now we're gonna hit the back seat with a little of the Meguiars mirror glaze vinyl and rubber cleaner conditioner, part number 40, I guess, on the Meguiars site. I'll try and link it to the comment section so you guys can order it for yourselves. Ooh, it's smelly. Look at that.
Yeah, it makes the vinyl feel like vinyl again.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's great. Looks like a new seat, man.
Yeah, not too dirty.
No dirt coming off.
No. Oh yeah, feel it.
Oh yeah.
Feels like
Yeah,
leather.
It does. Fancy schmancy.
The only thing I find is when you put it on the driver's seat, it makes it a little too slippery for the beginning.
Well, you gotta wear it in, right?
Yeah, it's like real slippery. You'll be sliding all over the place.
Yep. One time my buddy did that to his van, and it's got the deep step wells to get into it. An old Ford F-350 van. He greased it all up inside really good with Armor All, and I remember getting in it and I stepped on the door sill and I slipped and landed on my ass trying to climb into his van because it was so slippery. Look at that seat, guys. That looks new. What a great combination of products. And honestly, this only took us, two of us, well, three of us, should I say. I didn't really do anything. This only took 10 minutes. Did the whole cart in about 10 minutes, guys. With those two products. All right, hit the subscribe button. We're gonna make some more cool videos about cool stuff. Thanks for watching.